Hi guys! My name is Grace and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I feel like it's been such a long time since I had the opportunity to sit down to film a video and talk to you guys. So ayan, I'm super happy because finally I'll be able to share with you itong mga products that I'm currently taking or I'm currently using. Some actually yung iba dito ubus na and minake sure ko talaga na ginamit ko siya for 1.5 months before ako gumawa ng video kasi guys, syempre gusto ko rin na yung i-share ko sa inyong products is that really effective talaga and worth your money. So if you guys remember, I did a video siguro of a collagen product and nasabi ko sa inyo doon nga bandang October or November is that nag-start ako magkaroon ng maskne or mask acne because of using mask tapos naka-makeup pa. So usually yung pores is hindi siya nakakahinga. Nagka-clog siya, making or producing acne. So dito sobrang dami niyan. Siguro mag-i-insert ako ng clip dyan. So sobrang dami. Hindi siya nawala agad-agad. Last ganun ko na breakout is 2017 pa. Actually guys, natap na ako nitong brand na to siguro mga 2016, 2017 if I'm not mistaken. And gumawa ako ng review for their whitening products. On soaps pa lang ang meron sila. And I'm talking about the brand Organic Skin Japan. Depending on your skin condition or your skin concern is that meron silang created na kit specially made for your skin concern. So, I got myself the Anti-Acne Whitening Kit. So, ito siya. It's a 5-in-1 kit. Tapos, this is retailed. All of these are retailed for only 599 pesos. It's a set na fights acne, gives skin that healthier look. Yung kit na to is technically all of the items here have witch hazel extract as well as tea tree oil. Kapag pinagsama yung dalawang ingredients na yun or yung dalawang components na yun, is it will make your skin healthier and clearer. So, umpisahan natin sa Organic Skin Anti-Acne Bar Soap. Wala na tong laman guys. Ilago ko na lang yung lalagyan para may mapakita ko sa inyo. Claims ito guys is that it effectively cures warts, acne, blemishes, dark spots, and other pimple outbursts. You have acne-prone skin. Ang tendency niyan is that meron ka ring oily skin. So, hindi na siya for acne, is kinokontrol niya rin yung oil production ng face nyo para hindi kayo mag-develop ng future acne. Meron din ito guys, tinatawag naman nilang whip soap, yung parang may net. So, mas maganda yon kasi can cleanse deeply yung pores ninyo. Can also minimize breakouts, lighten dark spots. It can also treat other skin concerns nyo without the sting or irritation. Next naman, na favorite ko dito sa kit na to is their Organic Skin Facial Cleanser. Ito yung favorite ko from all of the items dito sa kit na to, itong kanilang facial cleanser. So, when I started using this is that prevent nyo talaga yung future acne from developing. Tapos, pinakagusto ko dito is meron siyang menthol effect sa skin. So, favorite ko to gamitin sa morning kasi nga parang nakaka-freshen or alive talaga siya ng feeling sa umaga. So, gustong-gusto ko yun. Plus, maganda rin siya. Napansin ko na natanggal or na-prevent niya rin talaga yung oil production ng face ko. So, even if I'm wearing makeup in the morning, is that hindi ganun ka-oily yung face ko. Hindi ko kinakailangan masyado mag-touch up or mag-blot ng face ko kasi nga nakakatulong siya to control oil production. Next in their anti-acne kit is their facial scrub. Alam nyo guys, matagal na ako naghahanap ng facial scrub for my face. Simula nang sinabi nila na hindi daw maganda yung St. Ives sa face. Yung St. Ives na sobrang famous for their facial scrubs is that naghanap na talaga ako ng ibang facial scrub. And ito guys, maganda to kasi meron siyang micro beads. Hindi siya ganun kasakit as compared with the St. Ives facial scrub. May microbead siya, and then katulad no facial cleanser is that meron din siyang binibigay na mentally feeling kapag ginamit nyo siya sa face nyo. Mararamdaman nyo na may konting moisturize effect na binibigay sa skin nyo. So, hindi lang siya nakaka-soften or nakaka-smoothen ng skin. Also, it gives you that moisturizing effect. So, hindi ganun ka-dry yung feeling kahit na nag-scrub ka ng face mo. Plus, napansin ko dito na nakakatanggal din talaga siya ng whiteheads and blackheads dito sa ilong ko. So, kapag nararamdaman ko or nafe-feel ko na sobrang dami ko ng blackheads dito or whiteheads sa ilong ko, is that ini-scrub ko lang siya ng ganyan. And then, after, again, ayun, matatanggal niya. Hindi na ganun ka-visible. Plus, ayun nga, meron siyang moisturizing effect. Kaya gusto ko to. Next naman is their toner. This is how their toner looks like. Ang napansin ko dito sa toner na to, guys, is masarap siyang gamitin sa face. Parang actually, nga no, ngayon ko na na-realize, so parang lahat sila, merong mentally feeling din talaga. So kapag ginagamit ko din to, feeling ko na sobrang linis ng face ko, tapos makikita mo yung cotton pad, is that makukuha niya talaga yung mga hindi natanggal na dumi sa face nyo ng inyong facial cleanser. So, ayun, especially that I wear makeup, it's really important for me na I use toner para I am sure na natanggal or na-wipe off talaga lahat ng dumi sa face ko. So, there. Next item naman is their serum, and this is how it looks like. Dahil serum siya, guys, is that mas mabilis siya na-absorb ng skin ninyo. So, maganda siyang gamitin sa gabi kasi parang sobrang hassle-free gamitin actually nitong kit na to. Siya malagkit sa face, madaling ma-absorb ng skin. So, kung ikaw yung type ng person na feeling mo ayaw mo na masyado maraming nakalagay sa face mo or like ayaw mo na masyado malagkit, is that super duper okay itong kit na to. Favorite ko din itong kanilang face cream, and kita nyo ba, madumi na siya. Kasi guys, dinadala ko to sa office kapag mag-aayos ako ng face ko. Favorite ko to, guys, kasi it gives me that instant whitening effect. Meron siyang ganong effect. Face cream siya. And then, ang pinakagusto ko dito is meron na rin siyang sunscreen. It gives SPF 30 protection. Yung na kinakailangan mag-apply pa ng separate sunscreen. Tapos, biruin nyo, guys, sobrang dami niyang nabibigay na benefits. So, hindi lang siya anti-acne. May whitening effect din siya. Plus, it controls oil. Tapos, as I've said earlier, yung mga ingredients na meron siya is that lahat ng ingredients na hinahanap ko and control and prevent acne is meron itong skincare line na to. Plus, ang pinakamaganda dito, guys, is that galing siya or gawa siya sa Japan. And alam niyo naman ang quality ng mga Japan-made products is that incomparable talaga siya. And definitely, may guarantee ka or may peace of mind ka kapag alam mo na yung products na ginagamit mo is from Japan. Guys, if you are interested to try out Organic Skin Japan's products, is that you can check them out on Shopee, Lazada, Beauty MNL, and Zlingo. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and find this review helpful. Definitely, guys, I swear by my name. Wow, arte. I swear by these products, and definitely is order ulit ako ng kit. Sobrang affordable niya, effective, and yeah, value for money talaga. Kaya naman natuwa ako, and kinakailangan ko siya i-share sa inyo, guys. And yeah, tell me in the comment section down below if na-try nyo na tong products ng Skin Organic Japan. And yeah, I will see you in the next video, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!